Alright, good morning people. Good morning everyone. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Is the music too loud? Let me just test this. Alright, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to Zoom, guys. Okay, let's do it. Seems pretty good. Seems pretty good. Good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning. Let me just fix this. Yeah, I was saying for about half an hour to an hour today, guys. More of an analysis session. Gold's already had a pretty decent push down here already today. I'm going to be buying gold in the next 1 to 2 hours. So we'll break that. We'll break that all fully down here. Let me see. Why is this not? Now the alerts are going off. I'm trying to delete them. Come on, everyone. All right, let's clean up this. No, I'm not holding it. I'm just saying from our level, it was a very easy 60 tick short. You know, if you got 20, 30 of it, it's a very nice push. Very nice push. All right.
Recording in progress.
Good morning, everyone. YouTube fam, welcome back. Let's mute this. Let me get rid of the waiting room so people can join. All right, awesome. Let's have a look here at gold. Let's have a look at these. Let me just make sure we're sharing the right screens. Yeah, cool. And welcome back. Yo, man. Thank you, man. Good to be back. Good to be back, man. First day after NFP. Monday here on gold. You've seen some pretty big pushes down here on gold. But you look at gold on this hourly. You've just closed bearish with no top wick. So I'm not selling gold, and I'm also not buying gold right now. Just clean up these levels. The reason that we're not selling gold is because you're at major 4-hour support with no top wick on this current 4-hour. And if you want to be buying gold, well, I'll buy gold maybe once you get back above at least here. So pretty much until then, like it doesn't really take too much thought process. If you want to be buying gold, well, you don't want to be buying gold at resistance. You want to be buying gold once it closes back above. And the reason we do want to be buying, yeah, it's because we're at that massive daily support. Huge daily support. Look at all these huge rejections. This could flip bullish at any point. So if you try and sell this at any point now, it can go against you. So if anything, down in this area, yeah, we want to be looking for longs. We want to be looking for longs. And like I say, longs are nice because you can get longs that you can push all the way back up into these liquidity levels. Or at least, you know, maybe back up into, you know, this high up here as well. Looks like a nice level. But if we're gonna see that, you know, previous hour, 6 a.m. hour on gold has opened and just pushed down. There was a nice liquidity level, but there was no entry to short it. So rather than being too worried about that, literally all we need to see is price to get back above here to then go long. Super simple. Super simple. Let me just get this forward. So that's literally pretty much gold, guys. We're in a massive range. It's the first day back, first day after NFP, and yeah, you're at a massive range. You're coming to the lows. Could you come and target these lows down here? Maybe, but with no top wick on this current 4-hour, I personally wouldn't be trying to predict that. I personally wouldn't really care to short into that. Not when there's no top wick on the current 4-hour. I mean, it's a little one, but who cares? It's not enough for me to want to take a short. So even if you do just push from here into these lows, that's not my trade. I couldn't care if it does push into them. I'm happy just to let that do its thing. For me personally, I'm more interested in looking for buys at this major level. You know, even if you're gonna see gold have a big push down, you could still see a pullback all the way to here before then pushing down. Yeah, nice. There's loads. Yeah, loads of nice levels. Loads of nice levels. especially after NFP. So have a look at copper, because that is literally as gold. I've been literally just watching gold today on the 30-minute hourly, and it's been very, very simple. Very, very simple. Let's have a look at, where are we? Let's have a look at copper here. These were the shorts from the Asian market call. Short in copper when she broke back below this level. You're pushing down 60 plus ticks right now if you're still holding that. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. And you're probably going to continue pushing lower. Current hourly on copper. Let's have a look at the 4-hour close. Where are we? 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour on copper. Really nice. Close bearish. Coming into an instant top wick. You may even start to see that dip as well. Let's have a look, man. Yeah. Beautiful short, man. Beautiful short. What do you get that on the 30? Yeah, that's very nice, man. So you got that on the 30 from, what, around here? Pushing down 35, 46. Yeah, amazing. It's a very nice short, man. Very nice short. And you could even keep short and to come, like we said, the Asian market would to come down and spike out this trend line. Spike out the trend line on gold. Sorry, on copper. Hit 50 ticks now. 40. Yeah, huge, man. Huge. It's a very nice short. A very nice short. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you, man. I'm good. I'm good, man. Still trying to recover from jet lag. But yeah, copper, you can see copper, same analysis as earlier, just continue pushing down. But if I be short on copper, I'm not, I'm not shorting, I'm shorting here. Here was our short level, or maybe even here. Again, another breakout level, held it, pushed lower. Probably even a nicer short level, actually. But shorting it here, in this mess, no. That was our short level. That was our short level on copper. The daily also flipping bearish. Even if you took the daily flip on copper, currently up about 26. So yeah, it's pretty simple analysis today. There's not really too much to run over. That's pretty much it. Copper's already had a decent push down today. It's now at major support. So no trades on copper for the next hour. And same as gold. Gold's looking nice to see some longs, but only once we break out and confirm. There's no reason to buy it just yet. They're pretty much going to be a bit of a waiting game this month. That's what I'm saying. I'm not gonna sit this for the whole hour and watch it go sideways. So any questions you guys have, feel free to shoot them over. And literally all we're doing is waiting for gold to get back above here to buy it. And the reason I'm not dropping down to low time frame to buy it yet is because you already had a 70 plus tick push down here. I'm not going to be buying against a 5-minute breakout for that. Open shorts, but new 4 hour. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, well, that's the fact that you don't have one. It's probably a good reason to see why you will create one. And if you were looking for shorts, then yeah, just open and push down. Yeah, that's not our trade because you had that beautiful liquidity level to short into. But then once this kind of held the support and closed bullish, well, you're not going to short then. Then maybe once this hourly grabs the highs and closes bearish, cool. Then maybe you could short this candle. Opens, no top wick, just pushes down. That's fine. Come back the next hour. Because yeah, shorts from here would have been really nice. But when that hourly just opened and just pushed down, yeah, no reason to sell. That's why I was going to jump on early today. But then when I saw that, I was like, there's literally no point. No point. I've been to Philippines? Nah, I haven't, man. Never been to the Philippines. I'd like to though. I would like to. Where are we? Absent on Friday. How is your NFP? Yeah, I didn't trade it, man. Didn't take any NFP day trades personally. I took 0 NFP trades. I was looking for it to come up and grab these highs and these highs here. You opened, had an aggressive push down, then an aggressive push back up. So yeah, I didn't take any NFP trades personally. Look at this 4 hour here on gold. You know, if you hold this support, longs are going to be really nice today. But you just want to wait for that. Same lots on golds. Well, I mean, copper's a little bit more, so I would just kind of work out the difference. Doesn't really matter what I use it, but if you want to stick to the same risk percent, copper obviously is worth more. So if you trade the same, you're going to be risking more. I know it's been a while, definitely, man, definitely. I need to change the layout back to the other ones. Your mark's gone on, man. Copper question? Let's have a look, man. On the doji bullish candle 4 hours ago. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So you got short. You got short on the... Oh, you got out your shorts. Yeah, this one, yeah. Once you grab them lows, tapped into that support, definitely mad. Yep, definitely. As soon as you grab these lows and hold the support, yeah, it's a good reason to get out most. Especially when you're up like, yeah, 30, 40 ticks, definitely, man. I think that's a good exit, yeah, for sure. Because you could have easily just Monday morning grabbed these lows and continued to range. Yeah, I think that was a good exit, man. So if you got out once you kind of grabbed these lows, held that support, definitely. I think that's a great exit. Glad to see you again. Thank you, man. Good to be back on. No top wick caused me to miss that drop. Yeah, likewise, likewise. We took some buys in Asia for about 20. Took 20 tick buys up here in Asia. Once you grab the lows in the lower time frame, you pretty much did nothing for the rest of the Asian session. And then yeah, you created some beautiful liquidity here. But then yeah, this hourly open, no top wick, just pushed down. So whenever you see it like that, it doesn't really matter. It's just you just kind of have to accept it and just wait for the hourly to actually close, and then come back to the next house. Pretty much same as the 4 hour right now. That's why it's kind of tough here trading gold, other than looking for buys when there's no real top wick on this current 4 hour. And you're at this major support. That's why I wouldn't be selling gold today. I wouldn't be selling gold today because you're at that daily support. This weekly, daily could flip bullish at any point. You could respect Friday's low, and start to drive higher, which would be some very nice, very nice. Need some gold glasses, Mr. Gold. Hey, if you buy me them, I'll wear them. Yeah, I did see that as well, because I was actually in some copper shorts much earlier on, but then I realized I was also trying to buy gold, so I got out of my shorts and got in some gold buys. I'm still trying to work out how they correlate like that. But to be honest, copper still had a really nice drive up today before it had the big sell-off. Much nicer than gold, which was still like 30, 40 ticks before gold actually did. So I still think it's pretty worthwhile to buy that. Like here, you know, this was she grabbed below and held it here. This was like a, you know, it's a 45 plus tick push up before gold even did anything sort of like that. So yeah, I wouldn't, for an intraday trade, I wouldn't really be scared out of doing the opposite by looking at this, because I did that. I was initially short on copper from around these rejections here to get this played out into this breakout, but then I started to see that liquidity buy on gold, and so I closed these sells on copper and then bought gold. But this, if I just held this actually also would have pushed down very well. Views on gold. I literally just spent the past half an hour breaking it down. Go back and watch it, man. Go back and watch it. That's exactly what we just did. Starting off that Monday morning right. Good job, man. Both at the same time. How did NASDAQ up to last week? Very, Bradley, very. Yo, Antonio, what's going on, man? Yeah. Buy and sell copper and buy and sell gold. Just share the one that works. Let's have a look. NASDAQ on a pretty decent weekly close on NASDAQ as well. You know, massive grab to the lows, holding this major level, coming into a daily bottom wick as well, which is nice. NASDAQ looks good to keep pushing up this week. Back up into these areas. Looks very nice. Looks very, very nice. Let's have a look at how did oil close in the weekly. Imagine you breakdancing. Yeah, very decent close on oil on the weekly. Grabbed the lows, broke back above $70, which is huge. It's in a pretty ugly area though. That's why I don't really like trading oil. It just comes into one. You know what's the trend now? So the trend's kind of been sort of bearish. Now you've grabbed the week close and closed bullish. You could push up, but into where? Into absolute nowhere. Coming into major levels every single time you try and push up. It's like every time you try and push up, the trade could instantly go against you. So 76 is a huge level. So you'll probably create a bit more of a range on oil. I have traded oil, but not on an intraday time frame. For intraday trading on oil, I don't like it. It doesn't move very well to me. I've traded on a swing trading perspective before, but for intraday trading, nah, I don't. It moves very strange for me. It doesn't move very well. I think gold moves much nicer. I think gold and copper and a lot of other things move much nicer. Yeah. But yeah, gold coming down here, guys. Feel free to shoot over some questions, everyone. There's not really much analysis to break down so far this morning. You're not gonna, like I say, you're not gonna do anything on gold till we get back above this level. So soon we will just have to literally just wait for that. Wait for that and do nothing until then. Pretty much. Copper trying to come back down again. Copper trying to come lower. I cannot, no, I can't. Maybe I should learn though. Yeah, very similar news to gold as well. Where is it? What do we have? We got no news today, no news tomorrow. FOMC on Wednesday, which is basically my Thursday. CPI on Thursday, and then core PPI on Friday. So you have a lot of news this week, but none of it's going to come in until Wednesday at 7 p.m. Watch, I mean, nah, I don't actually, man. I don't. I never have really. Never have. Where are we? Been lovely to see this. This gold have this hourly fake out to try and buy. Would be real nice. That's pretty much all we're looking at for today. It's a very simple analysis. Just going to require some patience. Yeah, it requires some patience so far today. Let's have a look at the 30. I'm not going to drop down too low because there's no point. It's a massive hourly level. 30 still kind of bearish though. Still at a decent push down. Not enough to want to buy it yet. Instant 30 top wick here as well. Yeah, it's going good, man. It's going good. We've got about 2 months until the Dang retreat, which is going to be awesome, man. It's going to be a great trip. Yeah, plenty more coming up, man. Plenty more. Plenty more. As a beginner, I see so many things that is going in with gold. That's pretty simple. It's just you can just see just key levels on gold. You could just short support and resistance on gold. You'd make bank. If you had sold this resistance last week, you would be up like 200 plus ticks. Here's your major support as well. Major ranges. But it's not so much the technicals. It's just more so knowing when to trade and when not to trade. You know, you want to trade the highs and the lows, whereas most people try and trade in the middle and then just get wiped out. The technicals on gold can be incredibly simple. Incredibly simple. You just need to wait for it to get into the key levels and key areas and have a plan that works. For me, it's just liquidity grabs and breakouts, pretty much. Now there'll be no live streams on the retreat, man. Nah, we won't be doing any. That week will just be focused to the guys in the retreat. Probably still do some market calls, but nah, no live streams that week, man. I won't be doing any. Easy money. Easy money. Yeah, it's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be good. Absolutely, Bradley. Hey, Brett, what's going on, man? Nah, no, there's no reason to short gold. Even if we jumped on an hour earlier, there was no sales on gold today. No sells. I can start watching gold on the higher time frame around like 5 AM London time, pretty much. I'm not gonna jump on live stream at 5 AM London time, but you can watch. Yeah, you can start watching gold from 5:30 London time. You can get some good plays. You get some pretty nice plays here on gold. 5:30. I mean, there's nothing, no trades today, but yeah, a lot of the time. Around 5 AM ish, 5 to 6 AM London time. Yeah, you can definitely get some good moves. Definitely. Nah, no trades yet for me. I had some buys in Asia, but no trades in London for me just yet. No trades in London. Okay. Let me see, it's 15. There's not really a lot to do here on gold, guys. I'm not going to watch this for too long. set some alerts soon and just update in Discord. Yeah, we're gonna miss it at 15 is. Yeah, Vietnam is in last week of November, man. Last week of November. About just under about 2 months. Nah, complete mix, man. Some guys coming who came on the retreats last year, and also some completely brand new guys. Complete mix, man. Complete mix. Yeah, nice paradise, man. Very nice. Very nice. What was it? Nice, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, man. Not the blown live. Yeah, copper coming down beautifully here now. Really nice trade there. Real nice push. Let me use that. 27 just off that area. Very nice. Whilst gold's doing absolutely nothing. Copper pushing down again. Grabbed the highs, closed bearish, came up. Yeah, nice push. Real nice push. Even shorts from this liquidity grab level today were huge. What's that? It's about 100 tick move. That's massive. Massive. Once you do close back above here, how many do you have? Into that, even at least into that 4 hour on gold, you got about 20. Back up in these highs. It's about 100 tick. I think you could easily see, you could crack this whole move in one candle with volume. Easily. Easily. How many sets on the retreat? You mean spaces? If you mean space man, it's usually about 10 to 12 usually. About 10 to 12, man. 1 minute, it's good to be back on the charts. Good morning, man. Good morning. Closed copper trade at 58 ticks. Yeah, huge trade, man. Amazing hold, Sean. Great trade, man. Great trade. Sean just closed his copper trade at 58 ticks. Very simple trade from our Asian market. Beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade. You got it from this one, right? From this one. Beautiful trade, man. Very simple trade as well. Very simple trade. Had liquidity grab. You had the breakout. You had very nice targets. Great trade, man. Very nice trade. 58 is huge. It's a beautiful hold. Beautiful hold. Yeah, you kind of see you got copper pushing down, you got gold pushing up, so I don't think they correlate that much, to be honest. Maybe sometimes, but yeah, copper's having a beautiful push down whilst gold's currently creeping back up. Yeah, 700. Yeah, huge. One contract 12. Yeah, huge trade, man. Huge trade. Yeah, even at one contract, it's amazing. That's an amazing short. Very, very nice short. Whoa. Alright guys, I'm gonna grab a drink. See you this probably see this next 15 close here on gold. See if we're gonna break out or close into this little range. Be back in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Where are we? Let's have a look. 15 on gold just closed bullish here. 100 for 4 hours. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. So that's it, man. Literally just once you got an entry like that, so you don't need to watch it all the time. Literally just set alerts and leave it, man. You had clear reasons to go short. There's more of a day trade than a scalp, I presume. So there's no reason to watch a lower time frame, which is a great trade, man. They're the best ones at the minute. Just execute, just leave it. As long as you get your stops in, you've got reasons to go short. You've got targets. If you're trading off the hourly, then you manage it off the hourly. You just come back and look at them hourly closes. It's yeah, it's pretty simple. Kind of same on gold right now, to be honest. If this 15 starts to flip bearish, we'll wait for the hourly. Because little to no volume down here on gold today, and I'm not trying to force a trade on a Monday. Trying to come down, coming back up. Let's see if we're gonna get this breakout on gold. Let's see. I need to see this breakout some pretty decent volume for me to want to watch this much longer. Copper's grabbing the lows, starting to reject a little bit. But that's pretty much the downside on copper. Pretty much hit for most of the day. Yeah, you're not gonna want to get stuck in any trades coming into these levels on copper. So, in terms of executing new trades on copper, maybe if you can break out. That was the short area. This unless you have a decent breakout of that, then cool. You got shorts into there. In terms of new copper trades, no, you're not gonna get any. You're not gonna get any new copper trades for a while. Gold might shape up a little bit better, hopefully. Starting to look nicer here on gold. See if in 9 minutes we can actually close back above this level. Close back above this level. You could have some nice buys. You could have some nice buys. Let's have a look. It's a 5 minute look. We're starting to get some volume. Not really. Not yet. Not yet. No. If you got into longs, well, surely you had a target before you got into the trade, no? And if you didn't, that's concerning. I do still. Yeah, I do, man. Yep. We get back into it. Now that I'm back, man, for sure. Absolutely. But nah, I can't give you targets on your trades, man. No. Did, man. Yeah, it was a great fight. Yeah, great. Loads of good UFC cards on the weekend, man. Yeah, it was a great fight. It was huge. Yeah, it was very, very good. It was brutal. Absolutely brutal. Hey Sam, what's going on, man? 30 minutes close. Nah, I wouldn't take it off a 30-minute close, man. It's too strong of a level. It's a massive 4-hour support. So you need a 4-hour breakout. The 30-minute can just fake you out. If you get like a decent 4-hour closure, like down below all of this noise, then you want to look for a pullback, and then you can sell it. But no shorts on copper until you got, yeah. You'd have to see a 4-hour breakout of this level. 30-minute personally wouldn't be enough, because it could just fake out. I see a very strong higher time frame closure. Oh, come on, Goldie, don't do this, Goldie. Don't do this. Yeah. Sending my levels, yeah. But do market calls for Asia and pre-New York, yeah. Every day, man. Every day. Nah, I think gold's much nicer than the higher time frame, man. I think gold's nicer. Copper's nice as well, but nah, I think gold on the higher time frame looks like, if you look at the 4-hour or the hourly, yeah, much easier, man. Much easier. I think because copper can leave a lot of them no top and bottom wicks. But for more higher time frame trend, yeah, I think gold is much easier. Much easier. For gold, if that's for gold, man, nah, I'm not taking any sales on gold. Not taking a single sell on gold. Not when you're at 4-hour and daily support now. 4-hour daily support, no top wick. Nah, I'm not taking a single sell on gold. So if we don't close above here in the next 4 minutes, I'll just be setting some alerts and leaving it. No sells for me on gold. Maybe if the 4-hour does close bearish with no top wick in 2 hours, I'll consider short the next 4-hour. But would I sell this current 4-hour candle on gold? Nah, no way. No way. No. I really want to see this hourly get back above this level to buy the next hour. But if this hourly doesn't, that's fine. I'll come back at 9 AM and see how it's closed. That's all you pretty much need to do. If this hourly doesn't close above, well, then what's the point of watching the 8 AM candle? There isn't any. So all you do is you come back at the 9 AM and you see if you've broken out. And if you finally have closed above, cool, amazing. Then the next hourly you want it bottom wick, then great. Then you can buy it. So we'll see this hourly in 3 minutes. But if it doesn't break out, yeah, that's me up for London. I'll set some alerts and just wait and just leave it. There's no point watching it. Better things to be doing than watching gold range on a Monday morning. Time of day? Nah, I've seen plenty. I mean, gold moves 24 hours, 5 days a week. It's never always just going to move in the hour that we jump on. That's why I'd take trades on gold at any time of the day. You always just got to be ready for it. Just set alerts and always be ready. On gold, there's no specific time where it's always going to move. That's why on gold it's always good just to, always have them alerts. But even when I'm trading Asia, I literally just look at hourly closes, 30-minute closes, which honestly takes like a minute, if that. Have a look at the hourly close on my phone. I'm like, is it worth jumping on? Was there anything worthwhile? Even this hourly, so I know there's not gonna be any trades at 7 till 8 AM London time. Why would there be? This is closed bearish and no top way. Why would there be any trades in this hour? There's not going to be. But if this hour closes above, then amazing. Then there'll be opportunities. It's always pretty easy to tell if there's going to be trades or not. Like, as soon as you see this hourly close below this level, well, if you want buys, well, there's not going to be any buys until you get back above that. Cool. So just come back at 8, 9 AM, 10 AM once it does close back above. And then you got easy trades. Easy trades. The biggest thing is just volume. some Monday motivation. That's what we like to see on a Monday. Yeah, you don't want to drop down to like the lower time frame once you do get confirmation on the hourly as well. And even if gold this next hour closes all the way back up here, most people get fear of missing out. I personally don't care. That's the confirmation I want. I'm not buying gold until you get back above all of this noise. Look at this huge level. Huge noise. I want to see gold get massively back above that before I consider buying gold today. Look at that. It's a huge level. Huge level. So, yeah. That's all we'll do here, guys. All we're going to do is now just set an alert up here. There's no point watching this for the next hour. You're not going to get any trades. So all I'm going to do is set an alert up here. Once gold does break back above this level, great, we could have some buys into here. So you guys on Zoom, I'll update you guys if we're going to get any trades once this next hour closes. At this current 8 AM candle, you're holding resistance. I'm not going short today on gold. And if I want buys, well, I'm not going to get any buys till you close back above that. So I'll wait for next 30, see if that closes above, then cool, maybe we'll trade that one, or at least the next hour. So just set the alerts and leave it, and we don't even need to set the alert, just come back up at least a 30-minute closure. And yeah, I'll update you guys on Discord. But for now, don't watch it. There's no reason to watch this candle on gold. And I'll update you guys in trade setups maybe once the next 30-minute or so closes. But yeah, we're gonna close the charts and let it do its thing. So I'll talk to you guys in Discord soon. Cheers, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye bye. All right, YouTube fam. That's it for today. Leaving gold here now. literally, where are we? Literally just going to wait for it to break out. But there's no point watching that. We could be sat here all day. It's not productive for anyone's trading journey. So yeah, wait for the breakouts on gold. Then you got some amazing buys. But until then, let it do its thing. And I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. And we'll jump on then. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.